welcome back. Here I'm starting again the next part of 1.8, that is voyaging towards excellence. So before in the previous lecture we had a nice introduction about Achyut Godbole. So here he is giving his self autobiography by himself, giving the whole description, how what he was, what he how the things came, how much struggle he had, and how finely enjoyingly he achieved all the merits and all the success. And again, even today he is a fine good writer. So the title itself, the title is voyaging towards excellence. Now voyaging means journey towards excellence. Towards excellence means achieving something in a very outstanding way. So here this prose is to all the youth, to all the teenagers, to all the students, that whatever you do in your life, do little but do in such a excellent that your work should be appreciated and it should enhance your life. Money is the not important thing, but there is something in your life that gives you happiness, that gives you peace and a self respect. Okay, and that is most important. So let's begin the prose. Okay, so in the prose it is given the life starts is in a very simple upbringing is there. Okay, he belongs to lower middle class family. The house was just 300 square feet. It means just 1 RK. Okay, so and there was no such basic amenities such as fan, refrigerator, geyser or dining table. Even gas stove was also not there. AC and car was very far. So here we can make it clear that the family condition and the financial condition was not so good. It was okay, fine. Somehow it was, we have to move the way how the things are. Okay, but he says that uh, but the biggest thing he got in his life was the thing that he had a great interaction with the great people. Okay, even though childhood was small, very poor, but the interaction and the knowledge he got and the great personality who used to visit his home was Vrinda Karandikar, Mangesh Padagaonkar, Vasant Bapat. These are the great gems of Marathi literature. Okay, and having them at your home is next to have God at your home. Okay, and they were for hours at home. They used and he used to listen their discussion, which was done on literature, poetry of Marathi and English. Okay, now this great personality gave a lot. It was just a God gift, as I told previously, to him. Even though he in the childhood he used to listen about Keshu Sood, Madrekar, Shakespeare, Charles Dickinson, Thomas Hardy, and used to listen it very finely and deeply. He was not able to understand the discussion, but then too he used to listen, and this listening constantly created a interest in him. The interest in literature enhanced in his mentality, thoughts, things of grasping and getting the happiness from that. It started at a very childhood age. He was lucky that he used to have they used to have Pandit Gandharva, Pandit Bhimsen Joshi, Pandit Jasraj at their home. This great poet used to come their home and used to discuss about Indian music till late night, even till early morning. So this was a great, I can say, as great award for him to enhance his life. So literature has made his life already richer, no doubt. Okay, but he was not knowing the grammar of the music. He tried a lot, but he loved literature as well as music. Okay, further he says in the childhood only he was knowing about the painting, sculptures, and listening about Van Gogh, famous Dutch painter, Mozart, famous Australian classic music composer, Michelangelo, famous Italian sculptures. So this all interaction he had in the childhood only. So these all things made his personality a personality which will give only happiness, which will give inspiration to others. He was a very different and achieved different things in his life. Okay, further writer want to say that all these things made him learn that how much the science and technology is important in your life. In the same way, art, literature, music has a equal balance in your life, no doubt, whatever. But these things enhances your life. It gives you happiness. It is beyond the money. Money making is not the only thing, but getting happiness, satisfaction, finding something you got, your self respect. Okay, now these all things he enjoyed from his childhood, and he had a good rich cultural heritage. Okay, from his background itself. So further writer want to say here that he not only loved this, but his other subject was also very good. He loved maths and science. He scored very nice marks in that. He loved Newton's law of motion. He founded the beauty in it. Pythagoras theorem was very graceful to him. So he had a problem solving technique, and basically he says that the problem solving of maths and physics he used to solve in 7th standard or 9th standards. Problems used to solve in 7th standard only. So it was a great gift. It was a certain thing, we can say, extra grasping power, which makes you so which creates so interest that you feels very nice while solving the problem. So this attitude helped him when he was giving JEE entrance exam. Okay, so this made him very successful. This problem solving technique showed the ability that he had logical thinking. He has quick and rapid reply. He was able to give. He scored 100 marks in the exam. Okay, in the SSC also he stood first, and he stood in all other subject. He was first in the university. Okay, so he proved that his true dedication made him more successful. Okay, and most important, last not the least, but he says that being a Marathi medium student, it is a mentality. Okay, he has cleared the thing. It is nothing like that. A person, whoever it might be, whichever medium it might be, the person, if you want to do, he can do anything in his life. He has scored 100% and 200% result is there in front of him. His true knowledge and true hard work made him reach where he want. Okay, then in the college he got the admissions in JEE. He had to move towards Mumbai. Okay, and now the thing starts. He was surprised by seeing the big skyscrapers in Mumbai, whereas in Solapur he has just seen 3 stories apartment. So it was a great shocking thing, and the starting was very nice, but the thing that made him again made him certain difficulty was that the students and the professors used to talk in English, and something here went wrong. Now writer is not having writer was not having a fluent English fluent English saying speed. Okay, he was not having the words, the vocabulary. He was not able to speak properly. Even he was not able to frame the sentence. So that was the thing. Further, one fine day when he was in the mess having the tea, one of the senior came and had a chat with him, and during the chat the senior started pulling his leg and insulting him. So that time he was very depressed. It went very wrong to his mind that now I can't stay here, I have to leave Bombay and to go back to Solapur. But he thought for a moment, if I scored 100%, I am first in the university, then what is the reason, what is the thing that I can't learn English? So he decided no. While stepping up towards his room, he had the plan and he decided exactly what he has to do. Further, he gives us the explanation how he decided, how he achieved the things. Okay, he says that it took completely 8 to 9 months for him to get fluently in English, to be confident in English, and the fear is vanished within 9 months or 9 to 10 months, and then he was completely able to talk very nicely, and at that moment he felt the hostel as his home. So here I would like to say you that he gives a fine explanation as well as his own autobiography for the students. Why? Because so that people can learn and people should able to understand nothing is easy. You have to do hard work, and he is the one who is not only in the field, he is in the field of arts, literature, he is in the field of economics. He gives a he gives lectures on every topic. He has written lots of novels which are very famous. He is having the ability in the simple way to change your mind. Okay, so here I stop this lecture. In the next part we'll continue the lesson. Okay, if you have liked this lecture, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you, students and the viewers.